XC60 is one of the most important cars in Volvo's history. The best-selling Volvo model every year since 2009, the XC60 has been a huge part of Volvo's success in recent years. The second generation model was unveiled in 2017, and this, the newly updated version, benefits from a range of technology and styling upgrades. The XC60's Scandinavian design has been refined with a new look front grille and Volvo emblem, new front bumper and air intakes, and a refreshed lower rear bumper. The exhaust pipes are also now hidden, showcasing Volvo's continued journey to all-out electrification. Completing the visual updates are new alloy wheel designs and new paint colours: Platinum Grey, Silver Dawn and Thunder Grey. On the inside, Momentum and R-Design versions get a man-made leather covering for the steering wheel, while all versions now have a touch-sensitive control unit for the sunroof and interior lights. The driver's information display is also upgraded with improved graphics and superior contrast. Wireless phone charging is now a standard feature across the XC60 range, together with 4 USB ports so multiple devices can be connected at once. Wireless smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay will be available via an over-the-air update at a later date. There is more technological innovation to safeguard against collisions. A rear auto brake function automatically engages if a collision risk is detected when reversing, dramatically cutting the chance of a parking scrape, while the optional Pilot Assist driver assistance system has gained an emergency stop assist function, improving its accident avoidance capability. The updated XC60 exemplifies Volvo's leading position on electrification, being a fully electrified model range. Powertrain choices are 3 recharge plug-in hybrids and 4 mild hybrids, 3 petrols and 1 diesel, with power outputs from 197 to 405 horsepower. All versions are all-wheel drive, except for the B5 petrol, which is available in front or all-wheel drive form. The plug-in hybrid XC60s we have here today all share the same 11.6 kWh battery and 87 horsepower electric motor, which drives the rear wheels. The battery allows for electric-only running for up to 32 miles, which is more than enough for the average UK daily commute. Fully recharging the battery takes as little as 3 hours using the 3.7 kilowatt AC charger. Charging via the 3-pin plug cable takes as little as 4 hours. The battery brings big cost of ownership savings too. CO2 emissions are as low as 55 grams per kilometre, while WLTP combined cycle fuel economy is up to 113 miles per gallon. However, we have recently announced updates to our medium and large plug-in hybrid models. In the S60, V60, XC60, S90, V90 and XC90, the battery has increased in capacity to 18.8 kWh, while the electric motor now produces 145 horsepower. In the XC60, this provides an electric-only range of up to 48 miles. CO2 emissions are as low as 25 grams per kilometre, while WLTP combined cycle fuel economy is up to 256.5 miles per gallon. These updated versions are on sale now, with first customer deliveries expected early next year.
The XC60 has all the qualities that have made Volvo one of the UK's fastest growing premium car brands. It blends contemporary Scandinavian styling with the desirability and practicality that customers want from an SUV. There's plenty of space for 5 in the long, wide cabin, while the 483-litre boot, 468 litres on the plug-in hybrid versions, provides generous luggage space. A power-operated tailgate is fitted to every XC60. This can be raised or lowered at the touch of a button. R-Design and Inscription versions upgrade this to a hands-free tailgate, which allows you to open and close the tailgate by simply putting your foot beneath the rear bumper. Perfect for when you've got your hands full or when you're loading bulky, heavy objects. Like all Volvos, the XC60 has clever design details to make life that bit easier. For example, there's a hidden storage compartment beneath both outer rear seats, which is the perfect size for an iPad, book, or magazine.